Because we're in the summer season, so I decided to make this popsicle ice cream. Welcome back to my kitchen where we make mouth-watering delicacy. In today's video, I will show you how I make this mango popsicle ice cream. If today is the first time I come across this video, you're welcome. So guys, these are all the ingredients I will be using. I have Greek yogurt, I have white chocolate, I have mango freezed already. I also have some coconut shredded powder. So guys, the first thing I'll be doing is to add the freezed mango into my blender. You can use the normal one, which is unfreezed mango, fresh and sweet one. Then I will be adding some Greek yogurt. In place of Greek yogurt, you can add heavy cream into this. You can also add some sweetening coconut cream into this. But because I was not having that, so I have to make use of what I have at home. I bought some milk, then I added it into the yogurt and the mango. So I went ahead to blend this up into a smooth period. So guys, if you have watched up to this one, please go ahead to subscribe, like and share. So this is the after blending. So this is what we have. So I went ahead to bring out my popsicle mold. Just go ahead to pour that puree into the popsicle, into the container, and then I will cover everything. So guys, if you have watched up to this moment, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. As I said before, you can make use of heavy cream, you can make use of sweetening coconut cream, but I was not having all those at home. So you can use whatever it is that you have to make this ice cream. So after everything, this is what we have. So I'll just go straight ahead to place this into the freezer for 6 hours or 24 hours. Guys, will you be trying this? If you do, please don't forget to tag me, subscribe, like and share. And the ice cream was so yummy. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.